I've been messing around with crypto for several years now, and at some point I stopped chasing price action and started focusing on something a lot more mechanical, automated trading systems, specifically AI-driven arbitrage. And the reason I'm showing this today is that I've spent the last several months running one of these systems, and the results have been consistent enough that I feel like it's worth showing what this actually looks like in practice. Today I walk through the whole thing step by step, and then I want to talk about some stuff from my own experience that I think helps people avoid the mistakes. Platform is on screen right now, and here I press launch. Okay, it's open. First thing it asks for is trading pair, and the reason there are so many coins to choose from is simple. This bot is connected to 20 different exchanges at the same time, so naturally you've got a lot of options. I'm picking Bitcoin today, good trading volume across exchanges, and it has interesting price differences. Okay, here I switch to live, and a wallet address field comes up, so I'm jumping into my wallet to grab my address. Good. Next, I define the capital I'm putting in for this trade session, setting mine at, right around there. That feels right. Then I configure risk level, and I want to spend a second. Think of it as a filter. The bot finds opportunities constantly, but not all of them are equally safe. This slider controls how strict that filter is. Low setting means it only takes the safest, cleanest trades. High setting means it starts taking riskier ones. I'm keeping mine low today. I'd rather fewer solid trades than a bunch of risky ones. Okay, then I choose strategy for AI model to use to find and execute trades across all exchanges. Okay, looking at everything one last time here. Yeah, happy with this. Let's run it. Here I've got different tokens and I can send one of them. I don't need to specifically prepare Bitcoin or anything like that. The platform converts whatever I send automatically on their end. Done. Then I tap I've sent, and okay, we're live. Right here in the dashboard, I can see everything looting up. Trades, win rate, spread, chart. All right, I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, I've stopped the session, and this screen shows me the final result, how long it ran, how many trades happened, win rate, and the final profit number with the platform's fee already taken out. That last number is what the whole thing was working toward. So now I press withdraw, and just wait a few minutes while protocol confirms the transaction. So let me explain how this system works while we wait. The same coin, say Bitcoin, trades on dozens of different exchanges at the same time. And because markets completely independent from each other, the price of Bitcoin on one exchange is almost never exactly the same as on another. There's always a tiny difference somewhere. And that difference is essentially best chance for whoever can move fast enough to grab it before it disappears. The problem is that difference disappears in milliseconds, way faster than any person can react. And that's exactly what the AI is for. The moment it spots that price gap across two exchanges, it buys on the cheaper one and sells on the more expensive one almost simultaneously. The profit is just the difference between those two prices. And doing that across supported exchanges at once, thousands of times a day, is what adds up to the kind of results you just saw on screen. And so here's specifically where I'm at with this platform right now. I've been running it for several months, over 40 trades, deliberately changing the configuration and the amounts each time. Not trying to get the best results, specifically trying to see if I can break it. And I haven't been able to. Nothing unexpected has come up across the whole testing window. That's a pattern I observed across intentionally varied testing.